Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Evan. Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you like what we're doing, and also check out my Amazon and ECS affiliate link down below, and also follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes images of what's going on in the channel. So judging by the title, you guys probably know I bought a new car. I've hinted about it, I've talked about it, so without further ado, let me show you the new BMW that I just purchased for the channel. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage I did of the car. Let me know what you think of it. So yes, I did buy a BMW F10, and more specifically, I bought a 2016 BMW 535. And guys, basically, this car is fully packaged. I had to drive down to New Jersey to get this car because it had every single option I wanted minus one. So let me tell you the options it has. It has the driver assistant package, the driver assistant package plus, which gives me the lane keep assist, the surround camera. It also has the luxury seats, which are super nice, the multi-contouring seats, which I love. Now this one is really cool. I didn't necessarily want it, but it has adaptive cruise control, so if I'm driving on the highway, it'll follow the car in front of me. If they slow down, the car will slow down. If they speed up, the car will speed up. So it's really cool. This car also has soft closing doors, which I didn't think I really needed, but let me show you guys why I really wanted this car. If you guys are not familiar with the newer F-Series BMWs, this car is very special because it has the W6B dashboard. It is a fully digital cluster from BMW. So let me show you. Now, normally, from my understanding, none of the US cars came with this. So you might be saying, Evan, well, you live in the United States, so where'd you get this car? This car is actually imported from Canada, so that's why it has the W6 dashboard, as you can see right there. It's super sick. So the digital tack, I absolutely love the red. I can have my radio on there. It's super cool. I can have navigation in the middle. Absolutely love this cluster. I'm in love with it. I love just putting it in sport mode to see those red gauges. Such a beautiful cluster. So yes, this car was actually imported from Canada. Don't worry, I did check the whole underside for rust, and it is really good. So what does this mean for the channel going forward? I hope people are not wondering about the E46. Guys, no, I'm not selling the E46. I am never selling my E46. It is the star of this channel. I love it to death. I will never, ever be selling my E46 because I love it so much, and it was my father's car, so I will be keeping that forever. I have multiple things planned for that car, but I did need a new daily driver, and I really wanted to get into the F-Series to expand my channel as well. So you will be seeing F-Series content also, but you'll still be seeing the regular E46 content in general. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do with this car for videos, what you guys want to see with it, let me know in the comments below. I'm probably going to start off with hidden features video, coding videos, because this car has a lot of options to code and very, very cool features with it. So that's what I have in store for this car. But if you guys have anything you want to see on this car, drop in the comments below. I do want to do slight modifications, nothing too heavy, so we will start doing that in the near future. So here's kind of just a walk around the cabin. It has the NBT head unit, which is super nice. No CarPlay on it. I will be not retrofitting. I will be adding CarPlay into this car. It supports it. You take apart all this, the module sits behind the dash, and I will have CarPlay. It's not touchscreen unless I wanted to upgrade to the NBT Evo with the ID6. Maybe something in the future. If you guys want to see that, let me know, but definitely I will be adding CarPlay to this car, and you can add it to really any F-Series car, I believe. Second thing that I want to show you guys, so here's the interior. These are the luxury seats. I absolutely love these. They have the adjustable thigh, and these are also adjustable. The top's adjustable. Super, super comfortable. Napa leather in this car because it does have the luxury seating package. Check this out. Even the passenger seat has a memory button, which is really good for people in my car. I have one programmed for my girlfriend so she can get in the car, click it, and it's all set. The other thing that I really like about this car is I love how high the centerpiece is in this car. The center console super high. This is pretty cool. A little spot for my key right there. So if I take my keys, actually my keys are in my pocket, but the key fits right in there. I don't think it charges it, just a nice little storage spot. Really cool. We have the sport button. This is for hills. We have a button for the 360 camera. So if we click it, 360 camera, which is super nice, especially with having a big sedan like this. You definitely need to have the 360 camera, and you also have the side view camera, and of course you have backup camera with PDC, stuff like that. I really like the center console, how it pops open like that. One side can be shut, one side can be open. Super nice. Again, the red gauges, paddle shifters. This is for the adaptive cruise control. If this panel is blank, these two ones right here, you will not have adaptive cruise control, so that's super nice. Another thing I forgot to mention, this car actually has the LED headlights. You probably saw it from the little montage. It has the adaptive LED headlights, which are super nice. It also has a heads-up display. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. It's a little rainy out today, but yeah, you should be able to see that I have a heads-up display out there in the distance. This is awesome. So basically all these three things right here for the driver assistant package plus. This one is for the blind spot detection. This is to keep you in your lane, I believe. Oh no, this is the front collision safety, so that it actually warns and does brake intervention to reduce a collision, which is really cool. So if a car stops in front of me and I miss it, it will assist with that. The next one is lane keep assistant. This will keep me in my lane. The steering wheel actually vibrates a little if I go out of the lane, which is super cool without using my blinker. And this is for the heads up display, which is super cool. So if I shut it off, I can actually see all my menus in here. So I can see the song that I'm playing, I can change the song. But if I'm using the heads-up display, it will pop up on the actual heads-up display, which is really cool. So I absolutely love that. So let's get outside. Let me show you guys around the outside, but here's really a look at the inside. Absolutely love it. Since it's M Sport package, we have the black headliner, which I love. This is pretty cool too. That's automatic. The actual sunshade is automatic. One thing this car does not have, guys, is the rear power sunshade that I have in my E46. I didn't necessarily need it because I am going to get this car tinted, but would have been nice to have. So let me guys show you the outside, but before I show you the outside, I do want to mention this car has the Harman Kardon sound system. The only thing, I kind of wish it had the Bang & Olufsen sound system. That was a very expensive and very rare option. Would love to retrofit something like that into this car because I am absolutely obsessed with Bang & Olufsen. They make some of the best speakers on the market. The Harman Kardon system's okay, but I think it needs a little upgrade. So here we are on the outside. If you guys are wondering the color of my car, it's carbon black metallic, and it is basically a black with blue flake or blue pigment to it. So in the daytime it looks blue, and in some lighting it looks blue, but it also is black, so it's super cool. Here's a look at the LED headlights. I'm absolutely obsessed with the LED headlights on this car. I love them so much. It looks so much nicer than the Xenon. Makes the Xenons that were offered, makes the car look super nice. We have, the rims have a little curb rash on some of them, unfortunately, right there, and the other one's a little worse, but we are probably gonna fix that in the future. These are the 351M wheels, 19-inch run flat tires. Absolutely love the way these rims look. Coming down the side of the car, looks super cool. I think with a nice ceramic tint on it will look really cool in this car, especially because it is black. Let's take a look at the back seats. Comfort access on every single door, which is super nice. Here's a look at the back seats. I do have some stuff in my camera bag, and I had a microfiber that I was using to clean, but super, super nice. I love how soft this leather is. It's great. M logos down the sides of it on all the doors, which are super cool because the car is the M Sport Edition. Love the taillights. The taillights are really cool. One thing I think I probably want to do is the force brake display. I think you can code that. Oh, I didn't even know it says BMW right back there in the headlights. I don't know if the camera can even pick that up. Yep, right there you can see BMW. It says in the headlight, the taillight. That's really cool. Little spoiler right here. And there's that badge, the 535 badge. This is the N55 engine, so the successor to the N54, so it should be a little more reliable. I know it is a twin scroll single turbo instead of twin turbos. Even though the badge in the engine bay says it's twin turbo, it's actually one turbo twin scroll. But it's super nice, guys. It's in overall really good condition. There's like one little imperfection there. Now here's the rim that's really bad, and I bought it like this, and I do want to probably get these powder coated or refinished. Look how bad this rim is. You can see it's torn up all there, and all right there. It hit a curb pretty good. Hit a curb pretty damn good, but fortunately you can't get it perfect. This is what happens when you buy a used car. You're gonna have little imperfections and stuff like that, but overall the paint's super good. I do still need to do a clay bar on it just because there are some contaminants, but the paint is super good. I really like the color and just love the way this car looks. It is a big sedan, but I love it. All right, so there you guys go. This is my 2016 BMW 535 finished in carbon black metallic with black interior. Guys, I absolutely in love with this car so far. Let me know what you guys want to see from this car. What do you want to see for mods? Just things overall. I can do more detailing videos on cars too now, since I do have a car with very nice paint. My E46 doesn't have the best of paint, so can't really do too much with that. But don't worry guys, the E46 videos will not be going away. I will not be selling my E46. I just want to reassure that, because I know my channel is primarily E46, but I am looking to expand. I'm looking to expand into the F-Series chassis and see what it is like owning an F-Series and what it has to offer for coating and retrofits and options and modifications and all stuff like that. It's still a BMW, guys, so I hope you guys support my decision in buying an F10. If you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Check out my Amazon affiliate link down below and my ECS affiliate link down below, as it helps out the channel at no cost to you. That's all I have for today's video. If you guys have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.